What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy. As you guys can see, the crypto has been performing absolutely insane over the last 2 to 3 weeks, gaining an insane amount of value. In the last 24 hours it has taken a bit of a dip, even though it is up just over a percentage. We can see here since yesterday afternoon it has taken quite a drop in value. Nothing major, that is part of the process. When I did updates on Jasmy over the last few days, I did expect it to hit red candles here and there in between. That is exactly what's going through right now, as that is absolutely normal. And what we're going to be focusing on is it time to buy it, sell it, or hold on to it, covering its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024, looking at is this a crypto still worth investing into. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and no doubt we're still trading at the top tier level. It hasn't dropped that much, and I'm not expecting it to drop down to the blue zone anytime soon. In fact, I'm expecting it to keep hitting new all-time highs over the coming days and weeks. And on the positive side, the crypto market is also on the green side today, with Bitcoin finally returning very close to $71,000. So I'm expecting Jasmy to go for an overall increase in value as well, but we'll get into that shortly. For now, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple, at 0.028 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here, near about hitting 4 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. They are not looking too steep, meaning this is quite realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Jasmy to have gone for an overall increase in value, and yes, heading past the 4 cents target is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of the day today. Of course, do expect it to hit red candles in between. It's likely to be quite volatile, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, now we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking, well, the orange line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and it is indeed looking quite steep, meaning it is not as realistic as it seems. And the blue line was going in a bearish direction, however it has started to flatten out. Right now it is literally going in a straight line. So my prediction over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid next week, is for Jasmy to be hovering around 0.044 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So yes, indeed hitting another all-time high and heading up above 0.045 cents by mid to end of next week is what I'm expecting. So even though it is likely to hit red days in between, just like what's happened now, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. So once again guys, I'm expecting Jasmy to be moving upwards in a positive direction over the coming week, and so am I with the crypto market as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. Again, we've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, it may not seem realistic, but the reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that has been taking place, and I'm expecting it to keep pumping in a positive direction. However, I'm not expecting a huge pump or a huge bull run or anything like that. minimal increases in value. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late July, early August, I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading around 6, near about hitting 7 cents in value in August is what I'm expecting from Jasmy, guys. So yes, it is quite an increase from where it is at the moment, but nothing too crazy, and it is very realistic and a reasonable amount. More than likely it will hit higher than 7 cents, potentially 8-9 cents by mid to end of August. But because I do regular updates on Jasmy, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can if there are any major updates or news that come across that can have an impact on the value of Jasmy. And of course, my usual predictions will be uploaded on a regular basis as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the top tier level, and there is no sign of it going through a major drop for it to drop into the blue zone. But if there is, I will keep you guys updated as I mentioned. But at the moment, as I said earlier on in the video, I'm expecting it to keep hitting new all-time highs over the coming days, weeks and months, and potentially heading up to 7-8 cents in the next 2 months. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up once again over 30% in the last 24 hours, making it over $442 million in trading, guys, which is again quite a huge increase, especially that the crypto hasn't moved much value-wise. More or less, it has moved towards a negative direction, but still the trading volume is still going up. And over the week, guys, 51% consistent increases in value, slow and steady, which is exactly what we want to see. And over the month, near about 100%, guys. So far so good for Jasmy. And yes, as mentioned in the thumbnail, I am expecting it to pump soon over the next few weeks and months, and potentially for majority of the year, guys. I am expecting it to head over 10 cents in value towards Q4 of 2024 is what my expectations are on Jasmy at the moment. But again, regular updates will be coming if it manages to hit higher or lower than 10 cents. Let me know in the comment section down below your prediction on Jasmy, guys. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2024? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button. I like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.